Hi, my name is Kumal. Originally, I'm from Nepal, and it's been a while I'm living here in the UK. Moving in a new country, I feel like I need to do something new in my career to be more stable in this country. So while I was exploring everything everywhere, I found this forward academic team who is offering a new intake in diploma in dental nursing course with its online and offline classes in a comfortable weekend, which was very helpful for me to start a new career and become a certified dental nurse in the UK. Learning something new in a weekend is better than doing nothing. So the best part of joining dental nurse in a forward academic team is not just only we learn new things, but also it pays off our hard work. So with the vision of learning and earning, I'm joining my class from tomorrow, and if you also want to join our class, so you can contact us on our forward academic team website, and I hope you make a right decision for your bright future.